Hey guys, this is Hansel Echeverria, owner and operator of Leen Customs, and we're here in Los Angeles in art districts at the loading dock. The brand technically got started in 2017 in like around November, and it was honestly just a passion project. I've been a graphic designer for the last like 10, 15 years now. I think for me, what really kicked it off was being at Designer Con. I think 2017 was the same time that I was all this kind of process. We popped in there and there was a lot of pop culture stuff, a lot of artists, independent artists doing stuff, but nothing being catered to the automotive industry. And then again, mentioning like you have influences, Fast and Furious, Need for Speed, Gran Turismo, you know, like there's a lot of things I think that as a car enthusiast, you can appreciate and enjoy. So for me, going to those events and then going to car shows, everything kind of was the same. And I wanted to create something that was completely different. So I said, let's make a pin, see how that works. And that's really how the whole thing kind of just started. When it came to the brand designing car stuff, it was just because the homies asked me like, yo, do some stickers of my car in a stylized way. And that's how the idea of the caricature style of my company became it. We've done so many, like I feel like there's definitely cars out there that we haven't done and we haven't touched. And I think that's the beauty about doing this, that you're never gonna run out. You know, it's funny because I didn't know about SEMA till I started making pins. Every year since 2018, we've done a big promo with Toyo Tires where they have the tread pass for those that are familiar with it or not familiar with it. They unveil probably some of the best cars at SEMA, and we get the opportunity to choose 10 of those cars and we pin them in a collectible pin. So the process for us has evolved throughout the years. Now it's much more simple for us because as an artist, the guy that designs this, I've created a template per se where I can go through the designs fairly quickly, unless it's something very unique, something out of the ordinary that requires us to get more reference pictures and whatnot. Hey guys, we're here at SEMA 2023 at the Toyo Tires Tread Pass, unveiling a bunch of new builds, a bunch of new cars, and most importantly, our 2023 pin collection. So here we have a 1993 Subaru Impreza that we built, you know, it got imported from Japan. We have a wide body kit on it, Sabon carbon fiber parts, full Momo interior, and it's rocking a 2.0 turbocharged engine in it still, which is a pretty awesome, fun cruiser for anybody that wants to rip around. Project with Hoonigan and 43i is basically we've created a commemorative pin in the past with their nonprofit organization to raise money, and basically they like to help kids that want to get into the motorsport industry that lack support. With this, we'll be using this to tour around for the 2024 season. And we're gonna be creating specific limited edition merchandise. Not only our limited collection pins, but we'll be creating apparel and other soft goods that will be part of this full capsule. And the point of this is to raise money as well, where we'll be donating to 43i. So if you're definitely following us on Instagram, check out our website for more details, because that's gonna be dropping pretty soon this coming year. What's up guys, we're here at the Hoonigan booth. As you can see, the Silver Lot taken over by Hoonigan, and we're so excited to be a small part of this awesome exhibit that they've put on. They also brought back some of the OG, some of the stuff that we've done since day one with them. We got the RWB Scotto, we got the Lightning F-150, to the Gasser, and it's such a rad opportunity for us to be here and be part of something even bigger.